Driving through downtown Bloomsburg, there are a lot of eye-catching structures, including the clock tower on top of the Columbia County Courthouse. Recently, the Columbia County Commissioners brought forward the idea to fix the bell that is in the clock tower.
We don't want the bell to fall down because that wouldn't be good at all. Oh, that's why we hired our engineer, Larson Design. They're going to come and look at it and give us an estimate of what it would take to replace everything, all the infrastructure that's up there.
Commissioner Dave Kovach says they want the bell to be in good shape and sturdy. Commissioners are hoping to get the bell working again and have it ring a couple times a day. Kovach says they also want to upgrade the mechanisms for the clock that sits above the bell. He says it's an important part of the county's history.
It was built in 1868. This is the front part. The courthouse, the first part was built in 1848, and that's the middle part. And then as Columbia County grew, then they added on the front part that we're looking at right now, and then the last part was the back part where the courtroom is.
Although the commissioners don't know how much the entire project will cost until the county's engineer comes out to take a look at it, Kovach says they will be using $600,000 in hotel tax funds for some of the project.
The hotel tax money, one of the eligible categories is historic preservation, and that's what that is.
He says the commissioners also know that people will come to the courthouse and take pictures of it because of its historic significance. Kovach says it's interesting to go up where the bell is and see what was done to it in the past.
When you get up there, you can see the woodwork, and they didn't use nails or screws. There was wooden joints that they used. So just looking at that, you can tell that this wasn't done last week.
As for when this project might be completed, Kovach says that's unknown until they get a report from the engineer. Justin Gick, Newswatch 16, Columbia County.